Hey guys, welcome to Tools Review in 2, where we provide tool reviews in 2 minutes or less to help influence your buying decisions. Today we're looking at the Knipex plier kit here. These things are amazing. Really more of an adjustable wrench plier. You don't really know what to call it. It's not a traditional crescent wrench. It's also not a traditional channel lock, but just a really cool piece here. It's got some unique technology and they're just beautifully made. This set may look new. I've actually had these for about 2.5 years now, holding up beautifully. And I'm a mechanic, so I do try to take care of my tools, but at the same time, I do use them. I'm gonna put these things to use and I'm gonna wrench on them good. I'll go with the smaller one here just to show the overall feel, but the bigger guys are the same thing. One of the cool things, when you open a channel lock, it swings the jaw. This, because of that cool compound motion, using this little groove setup, the jaws stay parallel, so you're not going to strip out fasteners like you can in traditional channel lock. The cool thing here too, you're going to be able to open these just a little bit at a time, and you're really going to be able to get a good fit. With this set, the ad says you can replace a full set of metric and standard, of course, wrenches with just these 3. Sounds a little far-fetched, but you really can if you've got access to them. That's the one thing with this, because you have to be able to have a squeeze on it, and it gets hard depending on the size you need it to end at. You can adjust that so your hand's close to together. But good hefty tool, beautifully made. I've had 0 issues with these in the whole time I've had them, and I'm always excited to say, oh, you know what? I'm not sure what size I need. I'm gonna go grab one of the Knipex. Just a beautifully made tool. Highly recommend these guys. 10 out of 10 all day long. Man, if they could do anything better, it would bring the price down. But you know what? They're worth it. This is definitely a buy once, cry once scenario. These things are beautifully made. Guys, from Tools and 2, highly recommend. This is a 10 out of 10.